Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. We got a 2019 Mazda CX-5. This is the Grand Touring Edition. A lot of nice options. Once you see the inside of this car, it's got black leather interior, sunroof. More about the inside in just a minute. Let's do a quick walk around on the outside of it. Very sharp. You notice it does have the tinted windows in the rear. It does have a backup camera right above the license plate, so let's go ahead and look in the back. One thing I want to mention, you can actually just click the button underneath there and it opens automatically for you, and it shuts the same way. So if you look back here, you got a lot of room. The the rear seats do fold down, so it's got a button right here. You just push that and the hatch does close automatically all by itself. Really nice feature on this Mazda. So look here on the driver's side. Nice rims, and you notice you do have the turn signals that are built into your mirrors. Let's look in the inside. Okay, here you can see the black leather interior, light collared headliner. You can see I've got the shade open on the sunroof. You do have dark black panels. Now this is where all the fun actually starts. I mean, there's so many options. I want to take my time to actually showcase this to you, but it does have a Bose stereo system, so you know it's going to sound good. You do have power seats on both front seats, and you do have a 2 memory position setting, so 2 different people can get in, push whichever number belongs to you, and the seat is going to go exactly to where you have it saved to go to. It's that simple. And you can see the sunroof from here. Let's go ahead and get inside. Now the inside, it does have push button start. I'm going to go ahead, start the car up. You can see the instrument cluster is coming to life. So is the LCD display. So I'm going to get up here. I want to show you the mileage on this. 33,910 miles as of this video. We'll just look around a little bit here before I go into all the detail. 2 cup holders. So let's start here on the left on the steering wheel. It does have Bluetooth capability, so it will connect to your smartphone, so you do have hands-free communication when connected. Volume up and down. Go over here on the right is your cruise control, additional settings that will be displayed. And when we go over here to the LCD, I'm going to drop it down in reverse. You'll see the backup camera engages. I'm put it back up in park now, and it does have heated seats on both sides. So simple as that, a low, medium, and high setting on the seats. It does have dual climate control, so independently, left and right, you can control different temperatures inside of the cabin itself. Now you get down here, it does go into sport mode and a regular mode. And when you get here, this is the volume for your stereo system, along with then it does have the ability to have navigation. You will have to have that actually activated through the dealership for Mazda. Home button and 2 cup holders. Armrest does open up. Multiple ports here to power all your electronics. But go up overhead, you do have a shade, manual shade that you can pull shut. Controls to open the sunroof is right here because it does open up. And you can see in the back, the center does fold down, and you have ample leg room back here. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is our 2019 Mazda CX-5 Grand Touring Edition. 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us up here. If you want to come for a test drive, you're more than welcome to. We've got a lot of financing options available. So with that, have a great day.